Major developments happened over the weekend while markets were closed and global risk sentiment changed. Rising tensions in the Middle East and strong statements from leaders pushed energy prices higher and created uncertainty for the new week. Iran Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf said over the weekend that energy infrastructure in the region could be targeted if the United States or Israel attacks. After this statement, oil prices moved higher and the market started pricing supply risk. On the US side, Donald Trump said that there would be a very strong response if Iran blocks the Strait of Hormuz. Because a large amount of oil passes through Hormuz, this increased fears of an energy crisis. Officials from the International Energy Agency and executives from major energy companies warned that supply disruption risk could push oil prices higher. After these comments, the market started pricing inflation and rate risk again. After these developments, bond yields moved higher, the dollar strengthened, and global stocks closed last week under selling pressure. Risk-off moves were seen in Europe and Asia, and technology stocks saw profit-taking. Gold did not rally as expected. After comments from Federal Reserve members that rates may stay high for longer, gold dropped sharply and moved close to the lowest levels of recent months. Crypto was the only major market open during the weekend, and the first reaction appeared there. Bitcoin moved with volatility during the weekend and saw selling pressure as risk appetite weakened. Ethereum also stayed weak in the same way. Total crypto market cap declined and trading volume decreased. The highest volume during the weekend was again in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and risk appetite in altcoins stayed weak. Higher rate expectations and a stronger dollar created pressure in the crypto market. When liquidity falls, the first selling usually appears in crypto, and this is seen as normal market behavior. ETF flows stayed weak, and institutional demand remained limited. US SEC officials said work on stablecoin and ETF regulation is continuing and no clear easing signal was given. Going into the new week, the market is focused on one question: will energy prices keep rising, or will tensions cool down? If oil stays high, rate expectations will not fall, the dollar will stay strong, and volatility may continue in both stocks and crypto. We talk markets, not noise. D&D